So you've lost your job or a big chunk of your income because of COVID-19, but you still have your loan to repay. What do you do? I'm Kalila Reynolds, and it's time for another episode of Money Mondays JA, brought to you in partnership with Proven Wealth. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on those post notifications. Also subscribe to our newsletter by clicking the link in the description below. And make sure you watch this episode to the end because I have a giveaway coming up. Now, you may be tired of hearing this by now, but we are in unprecedented times. The COVID-19 pandemic may have affected your ability to meet your financial commitments, such as your car loan payment or your mortgage. If that's the case, don't feel too bad because you're definitely not alone. Thousands of people have lost at least some of their income and are naturally worried. But banks and other financial institutions have been offering a helping hand. And I know that the banks may sometimes seem like these big, scary, profit-seeking companies that don't care, but they actually do have an interest in helping you because it benefits them too. The more loans that remain in good standing reduces their non-performing loans and also their bad debt. And this allows banks to avoid writing down loan assets while still meeting their regulatory requirements. So most financial institutions are offering help in three ways. They're extending credit terms, waiving fees, and offering debt consolidation. And I'll tell you more about each of these options and which financial institutions are offering them. First, though, let's talk about moratoriums and the extension of credit. A moratorium is simply a freeze on your payments. This means that the financial institution will allow you to pay what you owe at a later date or over a longer period. At the start of the pandemic, most banks offered a 3 to 6 month extension on personal loans. And even after that expired, many continued to offer extensions to customers on a case-by-case basis. So if you're in a situation in which you're unable to make your loan payments, your bank may be willing to adjust the terms of your contract to meet your needs. This is an option being offered by banks across the board, such as Scotiabank, First Caribbean International Bank, NCB, JN Bank, First Global Bank, and so on. Also, lending agencies such as the Student Loan Bureau and the National Housing Trust. Scotiabank, for example, has offered extensions of up to 8 months on unsecured loans if your household income has been affected by the pandemic. Over at JN Bank, you can get up to 12 months. So depending on your banking institution, you may get some relief from monthly payments until you're in a more stable financial position. Now, many banks are also waiving some of their fees. NCB, for example, announced that it would waive penalty interest for late payment on loans. They're also temporarily waiving fees for fixed deposits, partial withdrawal fees for insurance policies, and late payment fees for credit cards. Over at FCIB, they're offering waivers for 3 months on credit card balances, and First Global Bank has waived late fees and penalty interest. The NHT has also removed late fees for accounts in good standing. So if you're having difficulties paying your loan on time right now, the usual charges are not applied. Now, another way in which banks are helping customers to deal with the unexpected changes is by offering debt consolidation. Now, consolidation simply means combining a number of different things into one. So debt consolidation involves lumping all your existing loans, even at different lending institutions, into one loan, often at a lower interest rate. So rather than paying your mortgage over at NCB at 13% interest, plus your car loan at Scotia at 9% interest, plus your credit card at FCIB at, let's say, 45% interest, you could have one bank buy out all of your other debt and you just pay that one bank. The benefit to them is that they get all your other business. So now they're earning interest from you for all of these things, which is why they have an incentive to offer you a lower interest rate. Now, BNS, First Caribbean International Bank, and Jamaica National are some of the banks that offer debt consolidation. So if you're having challenges paying off more than one loan, then this option could help you to better organize your monthly payments and even bring down the total amount that you have to repay each month. Get it? Now, a number of financial institutions have already contacted clients experiencing challenges. Have you ever gotten that phone call like, Ms. Reynolds, what happened to your payment? Yeah, but your bank might not make an official announcement about it, so you'll have to reach out to them to know all of the options. So just call them, ask, what can I do? What can we negotiate? Well, that's it for this episode of Money Mondays JA, brought to you in partnership with Proven Wealth. Follow them on social media at We Are Proven, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Kalila Ray. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with a friend. Now here's what's coming up on Taking Stock.
The Development Bank of Jamaica DBJ is helping medium-sized enterprises weather this challenging time with an innovation grant fund. And Inter-American Development Bank IDB has similarly extended aiding hands to launch a pivot movement focused on harnessing innovative ideas for Caribbean development. They've got a whopping cash prize of $5,000 for 3 lucky winners. What could you do with that? We'll discuss with General Manager Strategic Services at the Development Bank of Jamaica, Christopher Brown, and a General Manager from the Caribbean Country Department at the Inter-American Development Bank, Therese Turner-Jones. And later, the analysts weigh in on the latest market developments. The economy is projected to shrink by as much as 18%, according to the Planning Institute of Jamaica. What impact will that have on the sector level? And Scotia Group Jamaica is reporting net profit of 5.6 billion Jamaican dollars for the quarter ending July, a reduction from the $9.8 billion profit in the previous year. We'll discuss.
Now it's time for our t-shirt giveaway. But first, congratulations to last week's winner, Karina Dare. Email orders at KalilaRayMedia.com to claim your prize. And here's this week's giveaway question. What does debt consolidation mean? Drop the answer in the comments below. The winner will be chosen at random from all the correct answers. You have until Friday, September 18, 2020 to post your answer and win one of our cool Let's Get This Money t-shirts. If you want to order one for yourself or someone else, just email orders at KalilaRayMedia.com. Also sign up to our newsletter at TakingStock-JA for business news, analysis, and a transcript of this episode. I'm Kalila Reynolds. Stay safe.